Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 60X and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's find the display and brightness. Now we have to scroll down a little bit to find the sleep option, so let's tap. And here, as you can see, we've got some options from which we can choose. So we've got relatively short options at the top, and next we've got longer ones. So basically all you have to do in order to change the sleep option is to tap on the one you'd like to use. I will pick 2 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 2 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.